What if I told you that you could take just $100 and turn it into $10,000? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not as impossible as it might sound. You don't need $1 million idea. You don't need to be born into wealth. And you definitely don't need to rely on luck. What you do need is a smart approach, some creativity, and a bit of persistence. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways you can grow your $100 into $10,000. Stick with me, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a roadmap to start building your wealth. Let's get started. 10. Start a side hustle with freelance work. One of the fastest ways to grow your money is by earning more. If you have a skill or talent, such as writing, graphic design, or social media management, you can use it to make money online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you sign up and offer your services. You don't need a lot of startup cash, just a $100 investment in a good laptop or software tools, if you don't already have them, and some time. The beauty of freelancing is that there's no cap to how much you can earn. By building a portfolio and gaining good reviews, you can attract bigger clients and charge higher rates. Over time, you can start making hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, easily turning your initial $100 into a solid income stream. 9. Buy and flip items for profit. Flipping items is another way to grow your wealth quickly. You can start by going to local thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces like eBay, and find valuable items that are underpriced. It could be anything from collectibles, vintage clothing, to electronics. Once you find a good deal, list it online for a higher price. With just $100, you can start flipping items and over time, reinvest your profits to scale up. The key is to know what's in demand and what can be flipped for a good profit. With a bit of research, you can easily turn your $100 into $10,000 by doing this regularly. 8. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time, even if you start with a small amount of money. You don't need to be an expert or have a large sum to begin. In fact, you can start with just $100. The key is to focus on long-term investments in stable, blue-chip stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which offer diversification and lower risk. By investing in a mix of companies or funds, you spread your risk, allowing your money to grow as the market appreciates. Over time, the power of compound interest can significantly increase the value of your investment. However, patience is crucial. Stock market investments tend to grow steadily over the years, so it's important to avoid making decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Educating yourself about investing, understanding risk, and staying consistent will help you make smarter decisions. With dedication and time, your $100 could evolve into a substantial sum, proving the power of long-term investing. 7. Start a niche blog or YouTube channel. Starting a niche blog or YouTube channel is a great way to invest $100 and turn your passion into a potential money-making venture. Choose a topic that excites you, whether it's cooking, tech, fashion, or fitness, and create content around it. With just $100, you can purchase the basic equipment needed to get started, like a good camera, microphone, or website hosting for a blog. The key to success is consistent, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Once your platform gains traction, you can begin monetizing in various ways, such as through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or selling your own products or services. While it may take some time to build an audience and generate revenue, the long-term potential is significant. Over time, as your content reaches more people, your platform could grow into a profitable business, turning your initial investment into a reliable income stream. Patience and dedication are essential for success in this venture. 6. Learn a high-income skill. One of the most reliable ways to turn a small amount of money into a much larger sum is by learning a high-income skill. Skills like coding, digital marketing, SEO search engine optimization, and copywriting can bring in significant income. With $100, you can invest in online courses or attend workshops to learn one of these skills. Once you've mastered a skill, you can start offering services to clients, work as a freelancer, or even land a full-time job that pays well. Over time, this investment can pay off significantly, and you can easily grow your income from $100 to $10,000 by simply using the skills you acquire. 5. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular business model where you sell products to customers without ever having to hold inventory. You simply create an online store, partner with suppliers, and when someone buys from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Starting a dropshipping business with $100 is possible, especially when using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which allow you to create an online store with low upfront costs. The key is finding the right products to sell and marketing them effectively. Once you find a niche with high demand and good margins, you can grow your $100 into much more. 4. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. Real estate has long been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. But many people assume that you need tens of thousands of dollars to invest in property. However, with real estate crowdfunding, you can invest in real estate projects with as little as $100. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to pool your money with other investors to buy shares in real estate deals. Over time, as the properties appreciate and generate income, you'll see a return on your investment. Although real estate doesn't give immediate results, it's a steady way to grow your money. 3. Peer-to-peer lending, peer-to-peer, P2P. Lending platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest. With $100, you can diversify your investment by lending small amounts to multiple borrowers. The goal is to earn interest as your borrowers repay their loans. Of course, there's some risk involved, but with proper research, you can lend your $100 in a way that generates consistent returns. Over time, as you reinvest your earnings, you can build your portfolio and grow your wealth steadily. 2. Cryptocurrency investments. Cryptocurrency is another way you can potentially grow your money. With $100, you can invest in digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or smaller altcoins. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, which means you could see big returns in a short amount of time. Or you might lose some of your investment. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, it's important to do thorough research and only invest what you're willing to lose. There's no guarantee that cryptocurrency will continue to rise, but many people have turned small investments into large profits. Just be sure to be cautious and stay informed about market trends. 1. Start a small business. The number one way to turn $100 into $10,000 is by starting your own small business. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, offering a local service like dog walking, or even launching an online business, a small business has the potential to grow significantly over time. Your initial $100 can go towards buying necessary equipment, marketing, or building an online presence. The key to success is identifying a problem that people need solving and providing a solution. As your business grows, you'll reinvest profits to scale, and before you know it, your $100 could be turning into a business that generates significant revenue. So, there you have it. 10 ways to turn $100 into $10,000. Each of these methods requires dedication, learning, and a bit of creativity. The important thing is to take that first step, stay consistent, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. Whether you choose to start a side hustle, invest in the stock market, or launch a small business, remember that turning a small amount of money into something much bigger is entirely possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth. Remember, it all starts with that first step. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to turning $100 into $10,000.